Hello, handsome. Did I wake you up?
Hello. And who is this that flatters me at this time of the night? Sonia. Sonia?
Sonia is the young lady you almost pushed down today at the bar.
Sonia. I'm fine. And how are you? Let me hit the nail on the head. Do you mind if we have a cozy date tomorrow? Some nice sit out. And, get to familiarize.
A date? Of course. Okay, 2 p.m. is cool.
Wow, that would be splendid. Thanks for accepting my offer.
Okay, good night.
Appreciate it.
Okay, good night. Good night. Yeah. One bird down. Sonia, 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 Sonia. Sonia, beautiful Sonia.
Honey, please forgive me. I am ready to fix everything that has broken in this family. Please.
Williams, tell me, why do men derive pleasure in having lots of women outside their marriage? Give me one reason you did that.
Honey, please. Let us not talk about that. I am a changed person. Everything about my past is thrown away. Can't you see?
In your interest, you have to make peace with your son.
Well, I am ready to do everything or anything to make you happy. Thank you.
Why has he refused to take my call? Jane, please take your call. He's not even picking up.
Your mom and I have decided to fix the issues we are having tonight. We want you to please calm down so that we can talk. Right? But before then, we want you to sign these documents because the contract is very important for this family.
Jim, please, calm down. I beg you, calm down. I was the person that was hurt. But I've let go so that peace can reign again in our home. I just want us to let go. I'm tired of the crisis. Aren't you tired? Have we been like this before? Let's go. Do anything that can bring us back together again as a family. Sign this document for us.
You mean to tell me that this document is more important than my happiness? Are you for real now, Mom? Even you? Gosh, I'm going to bed. Gosh. Jim! He doesn't seem to understand the importance of this contract. I mean, the contract, the sum is huge. Why is it like this? Hey. Oh, this contract. The contract. I want this drama to stop. I want it to stop before it turns into an uncontrollable fracas. I mean, how can a total stranger cause hatred between us? Huh?
Dad, this discussion, or peace talk, or whatever thing you call it, will not make sense if you don't tell me when we are going to see Perry's people. That's the only thing I want to hear now.
Can you please calm down?
Mom, please, can you stop telling me to calm down? If you know what's going on, you will not be telling me to calm down. In fact, I'm out of this place.
Did you see that? From a meeting that I called to resolve issues. I think that girl must have given my son something I cannot explain.
Have you had any problem with Jim that I'm not aware of?
But you know me now. If I had any issues with him, I would have told you. Huh? I think he's enraged because I stopped him from marrying that girl.
But why is it difficult for you to tell me exactly what that girl did? Or has she worked for you before?
Well, if I must tell you, she forged my signature. Yes, she forged my signature and collected a contract that I was supposed to get from a Chinese company.
What?
Yes.
That's fraud?
Oh, is that the kind of girl you want our son to marry?
Your son Jim was here a few days ago, and he was complaining bitterly that you refused him to marry a girl of his choice.
Mazi, we settled that issue yesterday night. I made him to understand why he cannot marry that girl. And I'm sure he understood.
If he did, he wouldn't have called me very early this morning and complaining bitterly more than before. So, I want to ask you questions.
Go ahead.
Who is this girl? Is her family cursed? Does the sanity run in their lineage? Or what is the problem?
Mazi, this issue is not something we should discuss right now. You know, the truth of the matter is that I've made up my mind. He will never marry that girl. And nothing will change that. The truth is that that girl is not the type of girl that he can marry. And I've made up my mind and nothing can change that. That girl is not the kind of girl that can come into our family, let alone answer our surname.
This must be very serious.
Of course it's serious.
Let me guess.
Guess what?
You may have had something with that girl in the past. William, but I don't think that is enough reason to reject her.
Mazi, you don't know this girl. This is a girl that didn't just sleep with me alone. She slept with several of my friends. As a matter of fact, she had a baby with one of my friends.
What? Oh, that is unacceptable. There's no way she can be part of this family. No. I think Jim need to think.
Oh, you see my point now.
We need to talk to Jim. Just think. No.
Jim. So it has gotten to the point where my son will report me to Mazi. If I don't show him the stuff I am made of, he will not pick up the bag of wisdom. He needs to ask questions about what I am capable of doing. It's all right. We shall see. Jim.
You would have asked question, Jim. Would you want to marry a woman that will share your bed with your servant whenever you are away?
Uncle, all I can see here is that he came to you and he lied to you. He made up stories and you believed him. But let me tell you this so you can tell him. If I don't marry that girl, I will wait for him to die before I get married.
How can you say such a thing? Huh?
Kindly tell him what I just said. Because I'm not joking. I'm not joking.
Hello, handsome.
Hello.
Can we go to the dining to have our meal there?
I would love to have the meal with you here. I mean, I enjoy having meal on the bed.
You know I'll do anything for you.
Wait.
What? Don't you want to eat anymore?
Son, I know what I want to eat first.
I got what you want.
And you are planning to get married to a woman who's my child. Even when you know she has my son with her. I'm talking to you, Jim. Where are you hiding her? I'm not here for jokes. Where is she?
Chief Odo, I wouldn't want to vent my anger on you. Stay away from me.
And I will raise my hand on you if you don't get out of my sight. Are you out of your mind? Don't get me angry. Grown enough to threaten me. Have you forgotten who I am? Or have your father not told you who I am?
Of course I know who you are. You are the old man that goes around sleeping with girls young enough to be your daughters. An irresponsible husband of a good wife. That is who you are. Now, have you asked my father who I am?
I can be very mad when I'm angry. Get out! What was that for? How can this guy is so heartless? Wonderful. Oh, Mr. William and his son wants to play fast one on me. It will not happen. Over my dead body, will I allow him to marry Perry? When my son is still not with me, I've not gotten that son. It will not happen. No matter what. Nonsense.
Wow. Who am I seeing? Hey! Adamne! Hey! Look here! Why are you crying? Adamne! Look at you! Hey!
How are you?
I am fine.
Where is Mama?
Okay, Mama is at the backyard.
Honey,
Yeah.
meet my brother.
Wow.
Yeah.
How are you?
I am very fine. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Hi, you look good.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Chima, please can you get him a chair so he can sit?
I will. Just a moment. Hi.
So brother is lively.
Yeah.
Is he younger or elder?
Elder brother.
Elder brother.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hi. Okay. Hi. Come and sit here.
Sit here.
Oh, wait.
Stop. Come on.
Hi. Here go my car.
Honey,
Yeah.
let me call Mama.
Okay. Wow.
Mama.
Russell,
How are
welcome.
you?
I am very fine. See, we are trying our best, eh? You are welcome. You are welcome. Very welcome. Welcome. Okay, I'll be back.
It's alright.
Mama! Oh, see, Ndemo! Adanuye! Hi! Ndemo! Oh, Open Adam! Ndemo!
Mama, I missed you.
No.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, I wanted to come and belong in my life.
Eh?
Ngwana! Mama, gini! Oh, Mama, sapwa kapiko ni godi kaka ke. Nika na ezu. Mama, Ndemo. Oh. I'm checking the work. I'm I'll go with you.
Good day, ma.
My son.
My smile.
How are you?
Fine.
Oh, good.
Mama. Mama, this is my friend. My special friend, Tony. And this is my beautiful mom.
Pleasure.
Welcome, bro.
Thank you. Welcome.
Mama, come on.
Have his family in the kitchen.
Mama, like I said, this is Tony, my special friend. He's asking for my hand in marriage. Yes, Mama. That is the reason I asked him to come and see you. Because he's saying he'll be coming to see you with his people by next week. Yes, Mama.
Now, where are you from?
I'm from Abalobodo, in the local East local government area of Delta State.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Sonia.
Mama.
So bad area. You have to go and inform your uncle. He knows how to tell his kingsmen. You know.
Yes, Mama. I'll do just that.
So bad area. I was cooking in the kitchen. Let me quickly finish what I was cooking in the kitchen.
You want to Mama? Oh, sick up.
When did you?
Thank you very much, ma'am. Wow, your mom is lively too.
Yeah, well, that's how we live here.
I can see that.
Honey, you're welcome to my home.
Thank you.
So, shall we? Okay.
Jim, I have spoken with your father and he has allowed you to marry Perry.
I don't love her anymore.
You don't need to be angry with the poor girl. Come on. Shuffle your pride under the bed and go make peace with her.
You will not understand, Mom. The feelings has died. I don't even want to talk about getting married now. I just want to make my own money.
Jim, I want you to reconcile with that girl. She has suffered enough. I know this because I'm a woman. I know what she'll be going through now. That girl loves you genuinely. I know that.
I met her with another man.
Really? Did you catch them under the sheet?
Not really, but I met them cuddling upon each other, melting into his arms and stuff. What else?
And that proves to you that she has found someone else.
Mom, I don't care anymore, right? I just don't care. I just want to reset my brain right now. I don't care anymore. What's another man doing in our house? If not something else.
You know you have not been there for some time. Just take things easy with her.
Are you looking for Auntie Banker?
Yes. Why?
She know they're around. She travel.
She what?
She travel.
Is that a joke?
How? Look how they play. And they run around. She don't travel. At least not only me there around.
When?
Nah, that this question don't tire me. Like this, as I wake up for morning time, they say and they carry box, move. Now only me there.
Did she tell you where she was going?
No, she not tell me. She not tell me. Maybe they go. She not tell me this.
Did she tell you when she's likely to come back?
Just all those things are personal information. Just go make her do something. Say na morning time, I need to tidy this compound. Now only me they do all this job. Make her close up. No vex, Baba. You get small thing for me. Baba, you get small thing for me. Hey. All these fine boys. I saw they come find madam for this compound. Nothing they drop for me. Nothing come out.
You are the reason I'm still in this house. Why you want to leave me all alone again in this house?
Mom, please. Nothing is going to keep me in this house in the next 5 minutes. I want to leave this house for good. I want to go out there and build my life, make my own money, and marry whoever I want to marry.
Jim, you're hurting your mother. Don't you think so?
Please stay with your husband.
This is not fair.
I don't want to know, Mom. I don't care. Please. I want to go out there and build my own life, build my own empire. I just noticed I could have done that a long time ago when I was staying here. Mom, please, don't even do that.
Jim. Jim. Where are you going carrying the bag?
It's none of your business. I'm leaving your house for good. You can do whatever you want to do with it. I'm going out there to build my own empire. I'm now a man.
My friend, go and keep that bag inside.
Please. Jim, stop! Stop!
Jim, stop him.
What is wrong with you? Huh? What's wrong with you? You said you wanted to marry Perry. Fine. If you must, marry her. But stop this childish behavior. Huh?
Have you seen what your stubbornness has caused? Have you seen that? Don't let anything happen to my son. I repeat, don't let anything happen to my son.
Hey, look, stop this blaming thing. Eh? I'm only doing what a good father will do for any son to save his future. Eh?
And I repeat, don't let anything happen to my son, else you won't enjoy this house.
Service for nothing, because you must service the customer. If you want a big deposit, you have to bring a sweet benefit. In business, you need customer service. Breast is for interest.
Oh my God. Hey, my daughter, what is it? Eh? Is everything all right? Please give me your bag. Go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go. Oh my God. Hey. What is it? Eh? Why are you crying? Oh my God. me to do? What is it now? Talk to me. Hey.
Hey, pick your call now. Pick your call, Perry. What kind of thing is this now?
You blind, you want to phone me?
I'm sorry, it wasn't done on purpose. I'm just trying to make a call.
Yeah, sorry. See the way you're saying you're sorry. So I'm talking to you, you're busy making call. I don't blame you now. This is how you behave in this city. Also,
I never believed that things would turn out this way, Mama. My past came haunting me so badly. It was as if I'm losing my mind. I had no option, Mama, because this is the only place I can find peace.
My daughter, you have to be strong. In as much as I'm happy that you are now a big woman in the bank, I'm also worried. Things like this can deny you an opportunity of getting the right man. Well, I cannot start blaming you. You have to be strong. You have been a strong woman. Please, you have always been. My daughter, please, seeing your tears like this breaks my heart.
That is why I decided to come back home. To be stronger than I ever have. Because I don't have a choice right now, Mama. I just...
My daughter, you will not stay here. Staying here will make you break down. You have to go back to work. You go back to work, you see different people, you attend to them, you keep strong. It will keep you strong. Please.
Mama, I can't go back there for now. I took an emergency medical leave. That is why I'm here. I need to be fine. I need to be fine, Mama.
Hey.
I'm losing my sanity.
If you say so, my daughter, you have lost weight. Let me get you something to eat.
Mama, I'm not hungry.
You have to eat. You have to take something.
I'm not hungry.
You have to eat.
I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
Who is that? Now today all of us will know so I will find this anti-banker. Yes. She know that around, she don't pack come out.
park? My sister did not tell me that she's packing out of her house.
She not tell me now, she pack come out. That one her own personal information.
Where did she go to?
I don't know.
How am I going to reach her now? Eh?
That means you will call her on phone now, you find any way to.
Her number is switched off. I've been trying it.
I beg I cook something for fire now before you, if you come out, you will help me lock this gate. I beg if you come out, just help me lock the gate, something there for fire.
But Perry did not tell me that she was packing out of her house. Hey, oh my Baguko, one chance. I did not bring enough money to the city. How am I going to go back now? This gate man that is very stubborn. You said... Number switched off. Eh? Switched off and I don't know.
Customer service, you must service your customer. want to meet your target, it is customer service. It is important in banking. You are in business to make customer happy, so that they will come again. If you have to kiss them, kiss them. If they want to love them, love money them. For hand, they back for ground. That is the game.
Love is a scam. I'll never fall in love again. In my life.
I'll never fall in love again.
I don't care where she is, where she's been, what she's done. I don't care who she is, what she had, where she's from. Say what you'd like to keep us apart. I really don't care. All I know is I care for her. I care for her. She's the one that I love, that I need in my life. She's so lovely and sweet. I'm complete in her love. You can say anything you like. I really don't care. All I know is I care for her. I care for her. All I know is I care for her.
You can't continue like this. You know, it's not good for your health. Please.
Don't leave me alone. Williams, give me space. Give me big space. I want to breathe properly. Your presence is suffocating. It's choking me to death.
See, you are being too harsh on me. Please.
Williams, leave me alone. Is that too much to ask? Williams, leave me alone! Go away. Go away.
It's all right, but I just want to say I'm sorry.
I don't care where she is, where she's been, what she's done. I don't care who she is, what she had, where she's from. Say what you'd like to keep us apart. I really don't care. All I know is I care for her. I care for her. She's the one that I love, that I need in my life. She's so lovely and sweet.
Love is wicked.
Complete.
Love is very, very
Say anything you like.
What is your name?
Don't care.
My name is Oma.
All I know is I care
Oh,
for her. I care
make sure you don't fall in
all
love.
I know is I care.
Yeah? Don't fall in love. Love is wicked. Love is
You need to take your bath.
dangerous.
You are messed up.
I don't care. All I know is I care for her. I love her so. All I know is I care for her.
so handsome.
Why are you like this? Huh? I've told you that I will bring him back tomorrow.
Don't say one more word. I do not want to hear your voice. Just keep quiet. Your voice irritates me. Do I need to shout it before you understand that? Please, anytime you're close to me, shut up. Don't say anything. You're better when you're silent.
Finished. Finished. Finished.
Customer service, you must service your customer. If you want to meet your target,
Oma, why did you do this? This is not you. How did I steal someone's money because of transport? Eh? What kind of demon possessed you? It's better I check back to the village. Let me go and return this.
If you want the business to move, it is customer service. You have to satisfy customer. Customer service, you must service your customer.
Oh no, this is not happening. Oh, the money's gone. Fuck.
Where's my money? Where is the money you stole from me?
I'm very sorry. I came to the city to look for my sister. When I got to her place, they said she traveled and no her lines has been switched off. I'm sorry, please.
Why did you come back?
I came back because my conscience was poking me. See, let me tell you, I don't used to steal before. I've never stolen in my life. It's the devil, and I don't have transport fare. That was why I stole the money.
How much do you need for your transport fare?
3,000 naira. 3,000 naira will take me to my village safe and sound. Thank you very much. Thank you.
What's your name?
Oma.
You baited me last night?
Yes. You stained all your clothes with vomit. So I had to bait you.
I'm sorry about that. I'm passing through family problems and heartbreak.
I'm sorry about it. But whatever it is, alcohol should not be your only alternative.
Let me drop you off.
No, don't bother yourself. I know my way. I can go. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. What am I even doing? Eh? I think I like him. Maybe I should have just allowed him take me to the village. Yes.
You don't let me go hungry, all because I'm trying to help you. It's not fair. I need to be taken care of.
Baby, can you just calm down? Okay? See, I'll get the money soon, okay?
That's all you keep saying. How soon am I getting the money?
Don't worry. You get the money in the next 5 days.
5 days? 5 days of looking pale and unkept.
All because my so-called boyfriend cannot afford to buy me cream. You know what? This so-called relationship is over.
Can you stop? Babe! Wait! My mother is dying. She has a severe liver infection and the doctor says she might die if I don't raise 200,000 naira within a week.
200,000 naira?
Yeah, what do I do now?
Hey! 200,000 naira?
Yeah.
Hey, what about your uncle? Have you talked to him about it? Maybe he will be of help.
He talked to me, he said he does not have any money right now and please, can you just help me find a place where I can borrow this money? And I will pay back within a month. Please.
I don't have way. I don't. Okay, anything for you, yeah? Yeah, your mother will not die.
Oh, thank you.
Your mother will not die. I will try. I'm going to do everything possible to get the money.
Thank you very much.
Okay, just go to the hospital and stay with her. Yeah?
Oh,
Let me just
you.
hurry.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Customer service, you must service your customer. If you want to meet your target, it is customer service. It is important in banking. You are in business to make customer happy, so that they will come again. If you have to kiss them. If they want to love them, money for hand, they back for ground. That is the game. In business, you need customer service. Breast is for interest, nyash is for deposit, body for withdrawal. Customer service. Auntie is a banker, working in the bank. Breast is for interest.
What am I going to do now? I really need to help him save his mother. I don't want his mother to die. Eh? Oh, Martin. Eh? What am I going to yes! Mama is the way out. I know Mama will not want to use ear to hear that Oma is in problem. Mama is the way out now. Let me go and tell Mama that.
Now wait. Babe. Please now calm down, listen to me.
Are you stupid?
Did you just slap me?
And I will slap you if you keep following me.
Hello, baby.
What did you say you want to use such amount of money to do? Do you want to start a new business?
No, Mama. I want to use it to complete the money for my traveling.
Travel? What travel? You did not tell me that you want to travel to anywhere.
Hey, Mama, it's true. I did not tell you. I'm sorry, but I want to travel to Scotland. Mama, see, I want to go and complete my master's. Yes, when I get to Scotland, I'm going to look for a job, so I work side by side doing my master's and working. When I'm working, I will save enough money and return the money back for you. Seriously. Now.
It is a nice idea.
Yes, it's a nice idea.
Okay.
It's a nice idea.
I will raise the money. In 2 days, you will come back and take it.
Hey, Mama, Jai. Mama, that's why I know that I will always count on you. Mama, thank you. Yeah? And there's no need for me to start going and coming back 2 days time. Let me wait. I will sit down and wait so that I will use the money and go. You say in 2 days time?
Yes.
I will wait, Mama. So I will use the money to return.
Okay.
So I will not waste any time at all.
If you say so, if I may ask, why don't you tell your sister?
Mama, I don't want to tell her. You know Sister Perry has a lot on her head. Eh? I don't want to tell her, see, I want us to plan it. Once everything is ready, I will not tell her to give me the money for my visa and other things I will be buying there before I'm stabilized.
Are you sure?
Mama, have I ever lied to you now? Mama, you know.
Are you sure?
Mama, I'm sure now. You said 2 days, Abby.
Okay. Oh.
Mama, you said 2 days.
I said 2 days.
Okay.
If you say.
Mama, thank you.
It's a nice idea.
Thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you. Oh, Nemo!
You have to be careful.
I'm always careful,
You have
Mama.
to be careful. You have to be careful.
I'm careful, Mama.
How could you tell my wife a lie? How could you tell a lie of such magnitude?
But Chief, what lie did I tell?
You're asking me? Huh?
Of course.
Why did you tell my wife that I have a child with Perry? Why?
Me? I never told her anything of such. I only told her that Perry had a child with Chief Benjamin. I never mentioned your name, Chief.
What is going on?
I can't say.
Yeah, she's for deposit, body for withdrawal, customer service,